everyone, welcome back to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. So guys, today we have a job opening from Reliance to be discussed in this video. You know, Reliance is such a great network. It's an Indian multinational company, and it's a great network having a huge diverse industries like petrochemical, energy, then textile, telecommunication, and so much to go, right? It is also the eighth largest employer as per the 2028 statistics in India. And Reliance Industry became the first Indian company to cross 200 billions in market capitalization. So watch this video till the end to find out the job role, eligibility criteria, the salary package, then skills and requirements for which they are looking for this particular opening. So here they are hiring for the Reliance Customer Service Executive. So let's discuss the job description. So manage all customer interaction as rostered within the parameters, demonstrate ownership on the calls when conducted by the customers, respond to all customer in appropriate tone and language, then offers a solution based approach for all the customer interactions, educate the customer at every given possible opportunities and ensure updation of the product, then others to the timing schedule given. So these are kind of a job description that you have to go through. Okay, so because as a sum up that I could explain, like it is something like you are having a conversation or you are interacting with the customer. You are actually the face of the particular Reliance initiative. Okay, and you have to interact with them, you have to get the knowledge and all the solutions and everything that you have to make it, company ideologies, everything you have to share with the customers that is interacting with you. Resolve customer queries within the agreed time, then manage outbound campaigns and per business requirements, then increase, develop and retain customer base through relationship building and service, then follow all contact center policies, procedures, code and contact legislation requirements. This is some of the job description or the type of job that you will be handling when you get recruited to the particular opening. Now coming to the eligibility criteria, graduation is not much required, 12 pass is fine, and if you have a graduation it can be any stream, any year pass out can go for that, and you should hold a valid graduation. That means it must not be correspond to something, a full-time graduation. If you are a graduated student, then this is the criteria for graduation, and also if a 12 pass, then you have the job for that as well. Okay, and the proficiency in English, I mean the languages, both English and Hindi is what they're looking forward for. It means that you no need to know like the foreign English language to handle or a fluent Hindi. The people will be contacting or having a couple of conversation with you in English or Hindi. So you must be able to understand what they are speaking and you must be able to respond to them. So if you are well and good at these two things in English and Hindi, then you can definitely apply for this as well. Okay, and coming to the location details, it is currently work from home because this is not about this, most probably all the job openings available right now to this pandemic condition, it will be work from home itself. Now coming to the requirements for this particular opening, you should have a good customer service skill, then you should be comfortable working in shifts, then you should have good internet connection and should have a laptop or desktop and should be able to speak Hindi fluently. Fresher or experience any field is welcome here, and who's be 18 plus, I mean having a age greater than 18 is what the required skills. Okay, the requirements that they are putting forward. Now coming to the skill sets, you must be a verbal communication must be good at you, that you will be able to communicate the things with other people and understand them as well. And time management skills is very important, so then only you will get to prioritize and organize things. And listening skills, service oriented, that is you are listening to the customer, so you must be a good listener as well. Then service oriented, you are providing service to them, so you must be very contented in that. And customer service, written communication is what they are the skills that they are looking forward for. And coming to the selection process, to apply, you have to apply first to this opening, and I'll share you the application process as well. And after that, you will be having a phone interview, then followed by a personal interview. And after selection on that, you will be given a training like how you have to work and about everything by the company itself, and you will get to know that how you have to perform being a customer service executive, and then you will be onboarded and you will be working. Okay, you will be starting to work. Okay, so this is about the complete selection process. Coming to the package details here, they do provide 1,25,000 per annum at this stage. It may increment and it may vary according to your experience as well. Okay, and now coming to the registration step. So to register for that, you have to go with the link which I have mentioned in the description box, and for the able jobs. And after installing that application, in the job section you can search like customer service executive, and you can pick up the job and apply for the button which they have given down there. Okay, and hence you'll be successfully applying for that. Then you'll be getting the schedule for the personal interview, like phone call interview, then followed by the personal interview. Then you will be getting the training after that, and you will be recruited. Okay, so these are simple steps, and you don't have to have a greater preparation kind of things. It's very simple. So if you wish to get in for that, then you can definitely apply for that. Go with the link which I have given in the description. Okay, so that's all for today. If you have any further doubts regarding this which I have explained in this video, please do let me know in the comment section, and suggestions regarding the video content, well, welcome to the comment section. So until we meet again, everybody stay safe, stay happy, and stay tuned to Online Study for You.